Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another instalment of retro unboxings. This time we're heading back to the 90s, 1990 to be exact. We're looking at the SA341 Gazelle. The boxing we have in front of us existed from 1990 to 1994 and the tooling was introduced in 1973 and was last seen in the range not too long ago in 2012. Now don't take this for granted, but we have some sprues in front of us. This is quite rare in these series of videos as usually the parts are loose or missing. Some quick background on this box in particular. I actually picked this up a few months ago at a local boot fair. I got it for just £2. What's your best Airfix bargain? Now let's not take a too close look at the sprue because there's a lot of flash on some of these parts. This kit would require a serious modelling knife. There's two schemes in this box. The A scheme is number 670 Squadron, Army Air Corps Middle Wallop 1988. The B scheme is number 2 Flying Training School, RAF Shawbury 1988. Which scheme would you build? Now the decals. I'm not so sure on the centering of the decal sheet, but they're all there, and handily there's a line through the middle to indicate the A and the B scheme. And last but certainly not least is the instructions. These seem simple enough, but I can't help but feel it will start to get a little confusing. Well, that was the SA341 Gazelle from 1990. Would you build this kit? Would this make a good vintage classic? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.